everyone, you're welcome to Zasie Space. This is your home of altos. If you're just coming on here, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video. I do business content, strategy, creative content, and a little bit of skin and fashion content on here, so you are really going to enjoy this place. I love to talk about business. I love to talk about brand strategy and communications and media strategy. I'm a brand and media strategist, so this is what I do for a living and I love it. I'm also a clarity expert. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to plan your business goals, create your business goals. Look, it is not out of place to want to create business goals. It is not out of place for you to say you want to create something that will work for your business. The mistake that a lot of people make, a lot of entrepreneurs, the mistake they make is that they just squander everything in one piece. They make unrealistic goals. There's something I need you to learn. There's a difference between planning and planning strategically. A lot of business owners plan, but they do not plan strategically. So you can plan and plan backwards, not knowing that you're planning backwards. But when there is strategic planning in what you are doing, you plan forward. Strategic planning makes you plan forward. Now let's go back to how to create your business goals. The first thing I need you to know is you need to understudy what you have achieved over the years. Now, if your business is 10 years old, 15 years old, 2 weeks old, 3 months old, whichever phase that your business falls into, or whichever category that your business falls into, I need you to go back and check what you have been doing over the years. Check all the things that you have done, the goals you've achieved, the one that you plan to achieve but did not achieve, or the things that external factors caused and did not allow your goals to be visible to you. So I need you to first of all go and check all the things that you have done. The second thing you need to do is understand what the purpose of your business is. Now, if you're doing business without a purpose, okay, we can take it up from there. So what is the purpose of your business? Why are you doing business? What is your business supposed to achieve? What are you doing currently that is working through the purpose of your business? So you need to know what the purpose of your business is. That way we are able to create goals for your business. Next thing I need you to also understand in creating your goals is carrying your goals step by step. Now there's something that we call goals for the moment, goals for the future, goals for later. The mistake a lot of people or a lot of entrepreneurs make is that they pack everything into one place and it looks like they cannot achieve it. It makes it unachievable. Now the goals for the moment, it could be over your team, it could be over your product, and it could be over your content. I would like to instruct you to do these things. Put your goals into categories. 1, goals for team. 2, goals for product. 3, goals for content. Now you have to be able to categorize or itemize or put your goals into boxes, into different categories. There are goals for your team. 1, for the team. 2, for your product. 3, for your content. That way it's easier, and that way you'll be able to know the goal that you want to do for now, for the moment, the one for later, and the one for tomorrow, or the one for the future. I want you to understand that if you do not place them into different categories, you might not be able to function and achieve your goals. Now, what this means is that carry your goals and put them into these boxes. Goals for the moment, goals for the team for the moment. That is e.g. goals for the team. Underneath, goals for the moment for the team. Then for your product, goals for the product, goals for the moment, that's for your product. And then for your content, goals for your content, goals for later, and then goals to explore. This means the first one, what we're trying to do is goals for the moment. For the moment can be in the next 1 year, in the next 6 months, or in the next 2 years. It could be goals that you need to achieve for your team. Either you're hiring a new person, or you're firing someone, or you are just trying to expand the team, or you're trying to look for freelancers that can help you to actualize your vision. So goals for your team for the moment. What works, what doesn't work, you are able to function, you are able to rationalize, and you are able to make sure that these things work into perspective. You can remove and minus. So whether you are adding to your team, or you are firing somebody, or you are just trying to add up to partnerships and all of that to make your team a concrete team. Do you get me? So that is for the moment. Then for the future can be maybe in the next 10 years or in the next 15 years. Goals that you want to be, how big you want your team to be, the kind of expertise you want, the kind of professionals you want on your team, and you start working consistently, intentionally to achieving this particular goal for the future. Now the goals for your product. Perhaps there's a particular product that you're exploring at the moment, or that you started working with, or that you want to work with, that you think that in the next 2 years it is achievable, or in the next 6 months it is achievable. Perhaps you want to introduce a new menu, or a new item, a new product, a new thingy into your business, into the marketplace that your business already has. So you know, okay, in the next 2 years, this is the product that we are going to be working with. This is the product that we're going to be removing. That is for now. That goes for now. So I've told you that it goes for 2 years or 3 years or 2 years, 6 months, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, whichever one. For the now, it's not going to be much more than 2 years. Do you understand me? So you know that, okay, this 2 weeks I am doing this thing for this product. This is what we want to achieve with this product. This is how we want to achieve it, and this is what we intend to do with it. Am I making sense to you? Now your goals for your content. If you are exploring YouTube content, or you're exploring Instagram content, or you're exploring Facebook or Twitter or WhatsApp, whichever one, or TikTok, your goals for now. Check through what you have been doing. I'm going to tell you this for your content. Check through the ones you have been doing. Check what you have been doing well and what you haven't been doing well. If there are new content that you want to introduce, how soon do you want to introduce it? Is it in the next 4 weeks, or is it in the next 5 weeks, or is it in the next 2 years, or in the next 6 months? This means that you have to create an item, you have to create a calendar for your content, how to implement these things, whether you want to be recording once a day, or twice a day, or 3 times in a day, or twice a week, or thrice a week. This way you are able to put your product and this way you're able to put your content into perspective. You are able to function, to implement these content, these new goals that you want for your content. Is it a new camera that you want to get for your videos, or is it a tripod, or whatsoever it is that you want to? You have to put them into the goals for now and the goals for later. If it's for later, you want to have a big studio that will be cooking up all your content that goes for your business, and also create a platform for your business online. You know that, okay, this is what we are going to do, this is how we're going to do it. In the next 5 years it is achievable. Then you start working towards it, you start planning towards it, you start making progress, and start making intentional moves towards achieving these goals. That way it is simple. I know the way I talk about it now, it looks so simple. It is simple. Put them in now, put them in later. 6 months, 4 weeks, 3 weeks. That way you are able to work towards your goal. It is not out of place to have business goals, but because you have not been able to put them in their boxes, it looks like it's out of place. It looks like you cannot achieve it. It looks like you're just making goals for nothing. I want you to understand one thing also. Creating business goals is different from having your business vision and business purpose. I hope you all understand that. Maybe I'll do a proper video about that, talking to you about business goals and business purpose and business vision. But right now, I have been able to dissect. Right now, I've been able to dissect how to create your goals for you, and I hope that you find this useful and you're able to implement it. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comment section. Put your questions in the comment section. And if you'd like to talk to me via my mail is going to be there in the comment section. I really look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to even doing business with you. If there's things that you would want me to work with for you professionally. My name is Onozasie, and this is still Zasie's Space. I will see you guys again. Bye.